Herbal medicine is a very useful mechanism in the natural healing process, and it benefits a wide range of diseases by helping promote, maintain, and restore health. Qualified herbalists go through intense training and are taught everything about individual herbs and herbal formulations. The dosages are to be regulated. Conflicting herbs cannot be used together, and the stages of disease need to be monitored. We give God all the glory for the great results through His healing medicine. Our Heavenly Father created the herbs and gave it to us for food, which is Genesis 1:29 through 30. I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of the earth, and every tree, in which is the fruit of the tree yielding seed. I have given every green herb for meat, and it was so.